Welcome to Inside the Kitchen, the only show where we showcase the best recipes by the best home cooks in the game. I'm your host, Cooking with Pat Lee, and today's episode is a little bit different as we'll be celebrating some of the best appetizer recipes on the internet. Now, whether you're tuning in to watch the Seahawks battle the Patriots, or if you're like the rest of America, you want to watch Bad Bunny perform live, you need the perfect appetizer to watch the game. Now, we searched through hundreds of recipes on social media and we found the 10 best out there. So without further ado, let's start out with a recipe that defines the term pretty wings. A combination made in flavor heaven, these lemon pepper hot honey chicken wings from King Cook's Official are mouthwatering, crispy, and insane with the sweet heat. Recipes like these beg to be made, and there's no doubt about it. You'll be going back for seconds with these wings for sure. Put these on the list for your game day appetizers and you're definitely scoring big time. If you're searching for an appetizer that's light, crispy, and pulls no punches with the taste, look no further as Chef Boyd Brown's got you covered with his Bombay shrimp. The perfect combination of finely diced herbs and spices, Boyd's dish is what your game day spread needs. A quick bite that has lasting flavor. Try it with his remoulade sauce for the extra razzle-dazzle. These sliders do not disappoint as Cooking with Mr. Cooper swishes in dishes with his take on Philly cheesesteak sliders, providing bite-sized flavor and precision taste. Now, these are the kinds of recipes that go beyond the scope of a tailgate party. These are perfect for a quick snack, a weeknight dinner, and beyond. As his shirt says, to quote The Simpsons, you don't win friends with salad, but you'll definitely win some with these sliders. Now, if you need any proof that this is a game day appetizer worthy of being in your kitchen, Melinda's Loaded Potato Cups won Inside the Kitchen's Best Appetizer of 2025. These bad boys are literally loaded with bacon, cheddar cheese, sour cream, the works. They take everyday store-bought tater tots and elevate them to the next level. A flavor bomb worthy of a taste explosion, this is a bite-sized treat you do not want to miss out on. I will forever die on this hill, but New York Chinese food is superior, and Duran the Chef's take on Chinese chicken wings proves that. Seasoned to the bone, double fried to perfection, and that signature barbecue taste is all you need to give your big game guest satisfaction on the plate. Honestly, who needs takeout when you can make legendary recipes like these at home? Make sure you grab your bev and a few of those wings to go. Now, we all love ourselves a triple dipper from Chili's, but nothing, and I mean nothing, beats having this iconic meal made at home. Luckily, Chef Ray's got you covered with her take on this culinary trifecta. Chicken strips with the signature sauce, burgers with a bite, and those mozzarella sticks with that eye-popping cheese pull. This one's the real deal. J. Cole dropped an album this week, but the real talk of the music town is from the best rapper / chef alive as the rapping chef blazes the competition with his buffalo chicken potato skins. Now, the key to a good potato skin is all in the potatoes. Crispy skins complement the twice-baked potatoes, crispy buffalo chicken tenders, and a buffalo and ranch combo that takes it to the next level. Make this recipe if you're looking to give your guests a spicy take on a comforting classic. A first-timer on Inside the Kitchen's Top 10 but an all-star in his own right, Royale Eats steps up to the plate with his take on Cheddar Bay biscuits. Now, these biscuits were the reason most of us look forward to going to Red Lobster on a Sunday night with the family, and having a recipe that you can make at home is just perfect and perfectly timed for game day. Buttery, flaky, soft, cheesy. Words can't describe how delicious this recipe is. Try it for yourself today. Now, this is without a doubt one of the best dips that I've seen in years, and fitting that it's made by the GOAT himself, One Stop Chop. This seafood spinach dip is the perfect flavor explosion that you need for you and your guests, and they'll be craving for more. Mixing well-seasoned shrimp, spinach, and a creamy cheese blend, this dip is ideal for feeding large crowds with minimal effort. This is a highlight reel, an instant replay, a Hall of Fame dish that will be talked about for years to come, and if you make this recipe, trust me, I can guarantee your guests will feel the exact same way. We're ready to close out this top 10, and you know we couldn't have an appetizer list without the queen herself, NAACP Image Award nominated, I'm so happy to say that, creator and black culture icon Kimmy's Creations. Her take on the viral hot honey mozzarella sticks stands out for a multitude of reasons. Seasoned perfectly, the mozzarella cheese sliced to perfection, not too thin, not too thick like a brick of cocaine, but still packing that amazing cheese flavor. This needs to be on your menu immediately. You gotta make it yourself because she ain't sharing it, alright? Bye. That about wraps up another exciting episode of Inside the Kitchen. If you feel like you deserve to be in the top 10, or if you know somebody who deserves to be in the top 10, simply comment below or use the hashtag ITKTop10. For all of us here at Inside the Kitchen, I'm your host, Cooking with Pat Lee, reminding you to keep those pans hot and your flavor game strong. And until the next time we feast, peace. Catch Inside the Kitchen's Top 10 every Saturday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on your favorite social media platforms. Help us to gain traction in the algorithm by liking, commenting, sharing, saving, and engaging. Thank you so much for helping Inside the Kitchen's platform grow. From the best recipes in the game to news, highlights, and insights, the Inside the Kitchen universe is looking to shift the landscape of food content on social media. Much love and stay hungry, my friends.